Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we're talking about the best paper deals over at Walgreens, and I have the numbers down to $2.80 for one of these packs, which is magic and butterscotch pudding and unicorns and everything we love about paper. So the first deal we're going to look at is done curbside specifically, which is you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up. Because this is paper and the quantities are so large, try and get your order right away because it will take a good amount of space. So the first deal we're doing is curbside. Let's not forget that. What we're going to do is we are going to grab 10. If you want to get a mix of the toilet paper and paper towel, by all means. The paper towel very similar to Sparkle. The toilet paper very similar to Angel Soft. But you didn't hear that from me. Load this coupon, which is a store coupon. It's going to apply to all 10. Is that your Christmas gift this year? I think it might be one of them. So load the coupon because this is a very good coupon to have. So throwing 10 of the toilet papers into a basket, that's $50 on the nose. And then that $1.50 coupon attaches to each one. So you're getting $15 off. Like, that's just absolutely fantastic. And if you have somebody really hard to shop for, they want practical stockpile stuff, imagine showing up with 10 of these on Christmas morning. Whoa. Using the code CYBER20, you're saving an additional $7 plus the 15, so that's amazing. So the overall total is 50. We have 22 off with that Walgreens coupon and the CYBER20 code. Free curbside pickup, a little bit of tax. So the total here is $29.68. If you want to use $20 of Walgreens cash and pay $9.68, by all means. For the 10 back when you spend $50, reconciling the math and trying to add this and that, the out-of-pocket is far too great for $10 back, so I'm taking a big old pass on it. We're trying to save money, not just trying to do weird stuff with finessing the math. So I think using $20 in Walgreens cash is the best way to go. You can use the code CYBER15 as well if you want to get a smaller basket. I believe that basket has to be $30 basket with CYBER15, you're going to save 15% off. So if you want to do a smaller basket, less paper, but I know a lot of us are going to want to get the maximum, especially with the snow. This is one item you really want to stock up on in the cold winter months so your house is ready. Okay, deal number 2 and 3 are in store. And the first one is with the P&G paper products. So we're talking Puffs, Downy, Charmin, all this magic at $5.49. Make sure that everything is tagged at your store. When you purchase 4 of these, you're getting back a $5 register reward. Now, why I'm encouraging you to get a nice mix and match, because each of the products have dollar digital coupons. So look for the mixy match. Open up the app, scan it, it's bringing up $5.49. It's probably part of the promotion, but you need one of each. So a nice mix of it because it's not bad. So grabbing 4 of these, it's going to be $21.96. Subtracting the $4 in digital coupons, $1 off each, you're paying $17.96, getting back a $5 register reward, making it $12.96 for the 4 or $3.24 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but if you have the 5 back when you spend 15, which has been printing for a lot of us when you order a photo, you know what? If you threw this in and paid with Walgreens cash, it would be even less. So any way you want to do it, it's a great deal for the P&G products. Final deal that I have prepared for you guys is deal number 3 again, which is in store. And for this one, we're grabbing 2 of the quilted northerns at $6.99. I think the brownies are also working with these 2 coupons that I'm going to show you in a second. They're $6.99 a unit, a $3 reward when you buy 2. This is more of the fancier line of toilet paper if that's your thing, and I know a lot of you prefer this. Currently on the quilted northern, we have $1.50. So it adds up, these 2 little coupons, so why not? And why we're doing all of these in store is because they're involving register rewards, which you can only get in store, not curbside. Grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be $13.98. Subtracting the $1.50 in digital coupons, the 50 center and the dollar, you'll pay $12.48. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $9.48 for the 2 or $4.74 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And when you are at the store, always make sure to ask the cashier, hey, is that machine on? Is it working today? Always a smart thing to ask, just to ensure that you get your register rewards and you don't have to ask the manager and etc., etc., because sometimes that's a big pain. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching. And in case you missed yesterday's P&G deals with the 15 back when you spend 45, I'll link it right here. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.